In this video, I will walk you through the TCL S45H Soundbar review to help you decide if this budget-friendly option fits your living room. When comparing the S45H to other models in TCL's lineup, like the S55H, the most obvious contrast is the configuration. The S45H is a two-channel all-in-one system, which means it lacks the dedicated subwoofer found in the S55H. This creates a significant trade-off in bass performance, as you won't get that deep, room-shaking thump for action movies. However, the standout feature here is its compact, space-saving design. It is an ideal choice for smaller apartments or secondary rooms where a bulky subwoofer would be intrusive. The build quality remains solid for the price point, and it supports modern connectivity like EAR, which is a big win for budget users wanting to simplify their setup with a single remote. While it may not compete with high-end setups from Samsung or Sony for immersive Dolby Atmos, it offers a clear upgrade over standard TV speakers for dialogue and general TV shows. If you prioritize simplicity and price over cinematic rumble, the S45H is a strong contender in the under $200 category. It manages a decent stereo frequency response for its size, making it a reliable pick for casual music listening as well. That wraps up our look at how this soundbar stacks up against the competition. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more audio equipment deep dives. Let us know in the comments if you prefer an all-in-one bar or a dedicated sub for your home theater.